Seriously guys, am I in the Netherlands or am I in Albania? It's full of cyclists here. I've never would have expected that from Albania. There are bikes everywhere. They're parked at the shop. People are cycling here. This street here looks like a normal shopping street as you would see in Italy or Spain. But there are also like this more still old school local shops, like repair shops. It's an interesting mix of modern shops and the old school handcrafts. Like this one, Riparim Kepuchesh, is making the shoes apparently. Hello. What I like here in Albania is all the green in the city. You have all the trees and you have all these little parks with a lot of benches for people to sit on. Some people are even playing some games. Let's have a look. Hello.
Really?
It's okay?
Yeah.
What are you playing? What is the game?
Domino.
Domino. Oh. You come here every day playing? These are your friends?
Right.
Wow. Are you drink a beer with it or no? Or in the evening?
No.
No? Wow, it's nice. Thank you. Thank you. They're playing domino. This street is the main street crossing the city from north to south, and you see they have a very nice cycling lane here. It's also very well used. We are out of the center of Shkodër now, and we are at another of these typical pedestrianized areas. Super nice here. People are cycling, people are walking. We have a lot of really nice restaurants here. People are transporting all their goods on the bicycle. Here we can see the bicycles, but also a lot of pigeons. I guess these pigeons are used for pigeon games, pigeon races. I don't know how it's called. And I guess this is like the pigeon guys cafe. Like the owners of the pigeons are probably like drinking there, and then their pigeons are here. I don't know much about pigeon racing, but I guess they're just waiting here on the day of the race to see when their pigeon arrives back here. We also have some second-hand clothing market here. It says art gallery. I don't think it's an art gallery anymore.